Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 3rd, 2021. Moderna stock prediction. Moderna stock has declined. The price tanked recently in the market in Moderna. Now we're going to give you a new price target. Welcome everyone to HueFin. This is also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location to where we are garnering price predictions on the price chart, all without being confused. So check it. If you guys appreciate the videos and the content, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to our channel. I would also recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on whenever we update you all on our price predictions. You want at least someone in your team to let you know about a change in direction. All right, now check this out. Before I get started in our newest price target in the market for Moderna, look at this. Look at this. We did a price prediction into the market in Moderna, right? Take a look. And if you haven't seen the video, stop this video and go back and listen to what we said on our last one. It was on September the 4th. Go back and check it out on our Moderna playlist, and you can see what we talked about, because obviously some things has changed. We need to come through and explain some things to you all as to why we may be expecting the market in Moderna now to go down. Now check this out. We've had an opportunity to eat off this particular past price prediction in Moderna first, right? We did. You guys can see that twice. We've seen the market in Moderna come up here to a $460. We saw that, right? And I'm quite sure we told you all that that would be an area to take profit in the market for Moderna. Did you do it? Right there, 10.35%. Twice you had the opportunity to do that. So we cannot be upset at the trap, because he has given us two opportunities to come and eat off this market to get 10% out. But so many times we get greedy and we're seeing the price go up. We expect it to go up into infinity and perpetuity, and we leave the play on. He gave us two opportunities to get 10%, right? Now check this out. Our ultimate TP price though in Moderna was up there around 500. Couldn't reach it, right? Couldn't do it. The market ran out of gas. It ran out of energy, and we only was able to top out around $460. All right. So now check this out. If we were still in the play and we had to get out now, or the last trade on Friday, we'd be down 18.1%. Okay. Now let me get rid of this, because obviously some things has changed. Now, why would I say things has changed? Well, take a look. Look at where the price is right now. We've identified where the market in Moderna had to hold support. $360. That was crucial. And guess what happened on Friday? The market broke it to the downside. So now, don't listen to anyone. $360 is now restriction, meaning don't expect the price in Moderna to go up until we see this price break $360 to the upside. Don't even think about it. It's that simple. Don't be led on the false pretenses. $360 is now the issue. We're not going to expect the price to go up until we see it come back up above 360. And then even in that sense, the next area will be 380. It takes the market harder to move up than it does to go down. So let's see. This is the 3-day time frame, right? The last two 3-day price bars, you guys can see that we have a very wide spread. This was indication that the market in Moderna is getting weaker. The last 6 days of trading into the market in Moderna tells us that, right? Now check this out. This area, $360, is now a restriction. This is now the area of support that we really need to pay attention to, right here, 320. Okay. So now, as long as the price in Moderna is going to prop up itself above $320, we will keep the probability of price coming back up above 360 on the table. Now, if we break 320, okay, to the downside, I'm here to tell you already that the market price in Moderna is going to have a massive movement to the downside, right? I'm here to tell you that right now. So check this out. Could we see this price in Moderna ultimately come here, right? Let me get rid of this, because I want to make sure that we have a clean chart. I want us all to see this. Can we see this price in Moderna come to this trend here? This is one trend. This is the second trend right here. Okay. This is the second trend. You guys can already tell on this most current recent trend that the market in Moderna came and bounced off of it. So right now, the market is following this current ascending line right here. Okay, so let me get rid of this one so you all can see. So currently, this is the current trend that the market is obeying. It's trying to keep the market from dropping below this ascending line right here. Now, we can actually tell in a further out time frame whether or not it's going to be able to hold this ascending line, or can we expect the market to break that to the downside and go a lot lower. We can actually do that. So let me show it to you. This is the weekly time frame into the market in Moderna. Now, understand, this very wide spread last week literally tells us that the market is not really that invigorated to come in and buy the market at these high prices. This very wide spread literally has erased all of the work and energy Moderna took just to move up. All in 1 week, we saw what the last 7-8 weeks of price action of the price going up in Moderna completely wiped out, gone in 1 week. That is a big indication as to, okay, the market is trying to change its direction. So now, that's on a weekly time frame. What about on the monthly? Look at this. This is the monthly time frame. We've already seen indication in Moderna the last 2 months right here. Okay. August and then September. Look at where the price closed on those 2 months. We closed off of the highs. People were selling. Okay, plain and simple. You might not like to hear that, but you can't change it. People was taking profit in Moderna the last 2 months. Were you doing it? Did you do it? Or were you expecting the market to go up to $500, $1,000 throughout the rest of 2021? Because people was obviously taking the bag. Did you do it? So now, let's take a look at this on the 3 months. Okay. Now, the question is, what are you expecting the market to do in Moderna? Currently, we're weak, okay? And we're going to continue to expect the weakness to occur in Moderna until we see this market really continue to confirm its trend, which is we're currently on right now. Let me take a look at this on the hourly. Okay. So what I would suspect is that in the beginning of this trading week, price is going to try to come back up 360, maybe even 380. But until we really see the price break above 380 on some massive strength, we need to expect the market to continue its downtrend, right? We need to expect that. Now, I like 320 though, to allow that process to continue, to allow us to have the ability to see price come back up to 360 to 380. But given the change that we've seen on the weekly time frame, right? Given the change that we've seen on the 3-day time frame, right? Given the change that we're seeing on the 5-day time frame, we need to continue to expect some weakness to occur. Even though out from the gate, the price will go up. But looking at this from the long-term perspective, the market here is garnering to us weakness right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this, because rather than us seeing the price in Moderna currently hold the trend, we're going to expect the market in Moderna to continue to come down, right? Okay. Now, expect this though. Okay. I don't want you to think that we're just going to do this. Shoot, come straight down. No, I'm not expecting that. What I'm looking forward to into the market in Moderna is like, we'll come down, trade sideways, come down. It's going to be like a stair step all the way down, right? But relax. Check this out. We are still in the uptrend into the market in Moderna though. We just became overextended, right? The market has exceedingly broken away from this overall trend that we started in October 2020. So we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Moderna. But like I said earlier, 320 is going to be real important. Seeing the price go above 360, 380 will also be important. If that occurs, then the price prediction that we are creating is not going to be right. I'm here to give you that right straight. It won't be right. So check this out. Let's go ahead and play the weakness into the market in Moderna, right? And 325 is a pretty good spot for us to eat out the market. That's about 5.5% for us to take the bag right before the market goes back up in price. Second area is going to be down here, okay, around $286, 287, 290. All right, just give me 290. Now, that is that. We said that on the daily, 360 is an area of restriction, 380 ultimately. So as long as the price and Moderna trades below $380, right, we're going to expect the price to go down. Now, we got 320 first, then $290, $285 second. Okay. Now check this out. You might not believe this, but look at this. Okay. Just consider this. Just consider it. Do you see a gap in Moderna's price? Do you see a gap on this chart? Because there is one. Look at this. Right there. There's a gap. Now, what does a gap mean? It means that since this market has been trading on this exchange, there has never, ever been a trade occur between July the 15th, 2021 and July the 16th, 2021. The market gapped right there. Do you think the market's going to come back down and fill it? Because if so, the market can go down another 23%. I'm just saying, as we go throughout the month of October, November, December, just understand that somebody already told you that right here first. All right, so I'm not saying that though. Bringing it back up just a little bit, but just consider it. I'm just saying, just consider it, because I wouldn't be surprised to see the market actually come down to that particular gap. Just saying. Now, this is what I'm seeing. This is our updated price prediction in the market in Moderna. All right. Now, what do you all suspect? What is your idea as to where price is going to go in Moderna now? This is ours. I want to know, what do you see? Let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me your thoughts as to where you think the price in Moderna is headed during the month of October, November, and December. All right. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the team. And always make sure you trade different.